Hey folks, David Frost, LazyGapTrader.com. In this video, we're going to talk about day trading, specifically the morning gaps. Gap trading is by far the single best day trading strategy available in the markets today. What I do is I teach a course at LazyGapTrader.com where I teach you exactly how to do everything I'm going to show you in this video today. The second thing I do is I offer to my subscribers my morning gap trades each and every day. They get an email at about 9 o'clock in the morning, a half an hour before the market opens, with my gap trades for the day. I do my analysis, I pick out the best opportunities for the day, and I send them out to subscribers. So what I'd like to do is first, let's take a look at the email that went out this morning to subscribers, and then we'll take a look at a couple of the trades that happened. So for a Monday morning, we had 5 potential gap trades, which is pretty busy for a Monday morning. That's not typical, but we'll take it. So out of this morning's potential gap trades, we had Mylan Labs. That was gapping higher. It did not hit its level, so it's a scratch. It's a no trade. Twitter was gapping lower. The support level was 1661. It has yet to hit its level. Twilio is another story that did hit its level. We got a positive trade off of that. Bristol Myers, again, a positive trade. We got a positive gain off of that stock. It hit its level and bounced higher. And Dover did not happen, so it's a scratch. It's a no trade. So we're going to take a look at Twilio, which you can see support levels I gave were $56.01 and $52.89. And then I give a stop and profit target, and the profit target is really a minimum profit target. Bristol Myers, BMY, another gap lower, and I say support levels are $50.11 and $46.56. Again, the profit target is about 40 to 50 cents. So let's go ahead and take a look at the two winners today, Twilio and Bristol Myers. So here's Twilio, and if you remember, I gave two levels, 56.01, which is the first trend line running across the screen, and 52.89, which is the second level. The first level, immediately at the open, the stock came down and came up short within 10 cents of that level and absolutely ripped higher, making a tremendous gain in just minutes. The problem is, it didn't hit our level, and when it comes that close, I teach in my course what to do with that trade. So everybody that's taken my course knows exactly how to treat that particular trade or that price level. When the stock came down to the second price level at $52.89, you can see here, it pierced through it by a couple of pennies and then immediately started higher. And right now, the stock is at over $54 a share, and we're about the midday point in the market, so I wouldn't be surprised to see this one trade higher into the 20 moving average, which is represented by this red sloping line. Comes in at about 54.67, maybe slightly less than by the time it gets there, but that would be a tremendous gain off of the buy level at $52.89. In my course, I teach you how to take advantage of the ones that are going to run farther. I teach you how to turn trades like this into a risk-free, emotionless trade. So the first level we took care of, it was a no trade. Folks that have taken my course know exactly why. The second level was a nice winning trade, well over $1 gain thus far. This is a wonderful opportunity for anybody that wants to day trade or does day trade and needs a specific strategy that's repeatable and consistent and produces consistent profits. Let's go ahead and take a look at the other trade, which was Bristol Myers, BMY. Now here's a 10-minute chart of Bristol Myers, and you can see here in the third candle of the day, we pierced through, making a low of 49.92, well within our stop loss limitation. But guess what? Just a few minutes later, the stock was already at a high of $50.68, representing a 57-cent gain in just minutes. That's a phenomenal scalp trade. If you can identify the price levels where a stock is likely to have a price reaction in the other direction, that's a recipe to make money in the markets on a consistent basis. That's exactly what I teach in my course at LazyGapTrader.com. Come over to check it out, folks. It's a wonderful opportunity. I'm there to support you. I get emails and provide support to members all day long. I want to make you successful. Come over, check out the course, LazyGapTrader.com. I'm David Frost. Thanks for tuning in, folks.